Have you ever imagined having a raptor as a pet? Not just any pet, but a trained attack raptor, like those scary creatures from Jurassic Park? Well, let's dive into this fascinating thought experiment and see if we could actually domesticate these prehistoric predators. First, let's clear up something. The Velociraptors we know from movies aren't quite accurate. Real Velociraptors were about the size of a turkey, standing around 2 feet tall and covered in feathers. They weren't the 6-foot-tall terrors Hollywood showed us. But don't let that disappoint you. They were still incredibly intelligent and deadly predators. Now, if we somehow had living Velociraptors today, could we domesticate them? Well, domestication isn't just about training. It's about selective breeding over many generations. We did it with wolves, turning them into everything from Chihuahuas to Great Danes. The process typically requires animals with certain traits, social hierarchy, flexible diet, and relatively calm temperament. Velociraptors actually tick some of these boxes. Based on fossil evidence and their brain structure, we know they were pack hunters with complex social behaviors. They likely had hierarchical structures similar to modern wolves. Their intelligence, estimated through their brain-to-body ratio, suggests they were as smart as modern-day parrots, which is pretty impressive. But here's where it gets interesting. Their hunting instincts would be both an advantage and a challenge. Like modern military dogs, they could be trained to respond to commands and track targets. Their incredible sense of smell, binocular vision, and agility would make them exceptional at detection and pursuit work. However, and this is a big however, their predatory nature would be incredibly difficult to control. Unlike dogs, which have evolved alongside humans for thousands of years, raptors would maintain their fierce hunting instincts. Imagine trying to stop a creature that can run at 40 miles per hour and has a killing claw that could easily disembowel you. It would be like trying to domesticate a combination of an eagle and a wolf. But with more attitude, the most realistic scenario? If we ever managed to domesticate Velociraptors, they'd probably be more like working animals than pets. Think police canine units, but with scales and feathers. They'd need specialized handlers, extensive training, and seriously reinforced containment facilities. So while it's a fascinating idea, maybe it's best that our relationship with Velociraptors remains in the realm of imagination. After all, some things are better left in the past, especially when they have 9-inch killing claws.